Hi there, tech friends! Today I'll show you how to download a beautiful Power BI background template and apply it to your report. First, let's navigate to the Power BI Backgrounds webpage. Pick the primary and the secondary colors based on your company's branding. Then, find the best fitting template and download it. Now, let's apply your downloaded background. Open your report and click on the Page Format tab. Upload the background image and set the transparency to 0%. And just like that, you can make your report stand out. And if you feel that your report doesn't fit into the existing layout, you can always download a different one and apply that instead. Isn't it nice when you can make your work sweet and simple?